Let's create eye-catching thumbnail with Canva AI in just minute. As you can see, this is the title of our video. Go to ChatGPT. Type I need YouTube video thumbnail prompt. Topic: best local dishes you have to try in Nigeria. Minimum character 500. Now copy the prompt. Go to Canva. Click on Canva AI. Select Design for me. Click Social media. Format YouTube thumbnail. Paste your prompt. As you can see, 4 thumbnails are generated. Click Use Canva Editor. Click on Share. Click on Download. Thanks for watching the video.